Think camper vans are only for the rich or retired? Think again. We've hunted down the cheapest and coolest camper vans of 2025. Models made for the open road without draining your wallet. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, remote adventures, or looking for a budget-friendly way into van life, these rigs prove you don't need deep pockets to live large. Let's take a look. Want to turn any cargo van into a camper in under 5 minutes? Meet the Plug Van, a modular, roll-in camper pod that slides into most vans like the Crafter, Sprinter, or Transit with 0 tools required. Pop it in, expand the roof and walls by 30 centimeters, and lock it down, and boom, you're road ready in 5 minutes. Inside, it's smarter than you'd think. A convertible bed, a sleek pull-out kitchen, hidden storage, ambient lighting, water tanks, and even smart features like voice-controlled lights and fans. And the best part? Prices start around $11,800, or just $6,300 for smaller version. Modular, modern, surprisingly affordable. If Plug Van is all about fast and flexible camping, Van Cubic takes it up a notch with full modular comfort. This all-in-one modular pod transforms standard L2, H2 cargo vans into functional campers in under an hour. No screws, no stress. The first module houses the kitchen and optional bathroom setup, complete with sink, gas stove, water tanks, and a folding shower panel. Drop in the second, and your van has a lounge with a fold-down double bed, 47 by 75 inches, ambient lighting, storage, and even optional bunks. With 3 trim levels starting at $17,600, Van Cubic offers modular camper freedom at prices that don't hurt. But maybe you're after a full camper, no DIY required? The Atrusco CV600DB blends European style with practical van life. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato, it comes with a fixed double bed, full kitchen setup with a 2-burner stove and fridge, and a convertible dinette. Go for the DB Plus trim, and you even get a roomy bathroom. It's perfect for 2 people chasing sunsets across Europe or weekend warriors craving comfort on the road. With 100-liter fresh and 90-liter wastewater tanks, insulation for all seasons, and sleek Italian design, it feels more Airbnb than RV. Prices start around $62,000, with the high-spec version, CV600DB complete, going for about $77,200. Why build from scratch when Ford already did the hard part? The Transit Trail AWD is one of the few factory-built vans with real off-road muscle. You get a strong V6 engine with 310 horsepower, tough off-road tires, and drive modes built for mud, sand, or snow. Inside, it's a blank canvas, extra headroom, swivel seats, and camper-ready space just waiting for your build. It's not a full camper. It's more of a DIY-friendly adventure van that people turn into campers themselves. New models start around $68,000, but many used or demo versions sell for $45,000 or less. Your ticket to van life without the markup. Now let's crank it up a notch. Crawler Amaru X is the ultimate off-road 4x4 camper built on a Toyota Hilux chassis. It features a futuristic, armored-style exterior made from military-grade composite panels. But step inside, and the vibe flips. You'll find a warm, modern interior with a comfy double bed, sleek gallery kitchen, wet bath, solar panels, and efficient heating, built for off-grid freedom. Everything's built for independence. Whether you're in the European Alps or the Australian outback, the Amaru X is compact enough for tight trails, tough enough for the worst weather, and stylish enough to turn heads at any campsite. Priced at around $75,000. For those who want luxury living deep in the middle of nowhere. Looking for more layout variety or onboard washroom? The Ford Nugget Plus adds a permanent toilet and sink right behind the kitchen, something most rivals don't offer in this size. The build quality is well thought out too. A rear L-shaped kitchenette with damped cupboards, a 40-liter fridge, and a clean fold-down bench bed below the pop-top roof. With a layout that shifts from dining to sleeping with ease, you actually get 2 proper double beds, sleeping up to 4 adults comfortably. Starting at around $74,000, the Nugget isn't the cheapest, but it punches above its weight in livability. But if you're looking for something sleeker, simpler, and just as smart, Citron has the answer. Citron Holidays is your weekend escape plan on wheels. Built on the Citroën Space Tourer, this sleek, compact camper packs comfort without complication. Inside, it's got everything you need. A fold-down bench that turns into a cozy double bed, a mini kitchenette with stove and sink, a fridge, and even a built-in shower in the tailgate. Pop the roof, and a second sleeping area unfolds above. Perfect for breezy views and stargazing. The smart lighting, USB ports, and swivel seats give it the vibe of a stylish studio apartment on wheels, just way cooler. At a starting price of $69,000, it outclasses many European rivals like the Ford Nugget or VW California in value. Want something even more compact without giving up comfort? Adria Active Duo is the camper van that proves you don't need bulk to pack an adventure. Built on a Renault Traffic and measuring under 5 meters long and under 2 meters tall, it glides into standard car parks and squeezes through narrow lanes with ease. Perfect for campers who prioritize agility over size, with twin sliding doors that let you access gear from both sides. Inside, you'll find a clever modular layout, swivel seats, a compact kitchenette, and not one but two beds, a fold-out lower bed, and a pop-top roof bed with panoramic airflow. Retailing at around $66,000, it's more than clever. It's award-winning. Crowned Best Small Camper Van of 2024. Ready for something tougher? Meet your next 4x4 adventure van. The van Doit Livvie transforms a Ford Transit into a trail-ready beast, thanks to the optional Quigley 4x4 and a modular setup that adapts to your adventure. What makes it special? Nearly everything is modular. Beds, kitchens, storage, bike mounts, even showers can be added, removed, or rearranged without tools. The interior has an industrial look, with aluminum framing and marine-grade flooring. It's functional, rugged, and ready to haul gear, sleep your crew, and handle rough conditions without breaking a sweat. Price ranges from anywhere from $69,000 to $180,000. Want luxury without the price tag? The Malibu Van Comfort 600DB delivers. Built on a refined Fiat Ducato chassis, this van feels more like a boutique hotel than a van. Inside, there's a roomy L-shaped lounge, a premium corner kitchen with a 70L compressor fridge, and storage tall enough for full-length wardrobes. Opposite, a full-size washroom with big windows and a proper stall shower, rare in this class. Powered by a 140 horsepower diesel and smooth features like cruise control and hill hold, it's easy to drive too. Built for year-round travel with swivel seats and LED comfort. All that starting from around $72,000. A solid deal for this level of comfort. Not everyone needs a boutique hotel on wheels. If you want campervan style without stretching your budget, the Berstner Eliso C frames exactly that balance. Built on a Fiat Ducato platform, these sleek models under 6 meters long include features more often found in pricier motorhomes. Ambient lighting, soft-touch surfaces, and a rear lounge that turns into a cozy bed make it feel like a mobile retreat. The standout, a built-in sky roof above the cab that floods the interior with natural light. Optional smart tech includes voice-controlled lighting and heating. Prices start around $69,000, but upscale finishes make it feel like something more expensive. But what if your road trip involves mud, mountains, or icy mornings? The Dreamer D55. Select 4x4 has you covered, measuring under 6 meters long, fully insulated, and built for year-round adventure. The standout, a garage-height bed that lifts up to store bikes, skis, or even surfboards without removing them. The smart bathroom features a sliding tambour door, saving space and keeping things tidy on bumpy roads. With diesel heating, acoustic insulation, and a stealthy exterior, it's the perfect blend of urban stealth and mountain strength. All that from around $69,000. A French-built hybrid of van life comfort and all-terrain toughness. Who says van life has to be expensive? From the 6,000 plug-and-play kits to off-road-ready beasts under $75,000, these rigs prove adventure doesn't have to break the bank. So which one's your pick? The DIY Transit Trail? The futuristic crawler? Or the sleek and slethy Dreamer D55? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And let us know what you'd build into your dream van. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and stick around for more.